Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have seen a little drop today and now trading with a moderate loss from the previous closing on last week. So what to expect today? Is it going to continue with this bearish bias, or we can see a bounce back and you can remain long? And if you have switch position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis, which will be released with the US session, just before the US session. So do watch that analysis also. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's start first and look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts for US100. And if you look at the hourly charts for US100, now one must observe that yes, this is the base here for US100 in between 12,000 and 11,970 levels. Now it has to break past this base in order to confirm the bearishness, and hence 11,950 is something below which only you can confirm a little bearishness. Now last week also I told you that once it breaks out, see, first of all, in our weekly analysis, we expected 12,200 levels. Precisely, it is in fact went below. It has went above and achieved 12,250 levels. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see, highs are done, trying to create a base, trying to consolidate here. Here is a little reversal indication, and here you can see higher highs, higher lows. So yes, if you see it trading above this zone at 12,160, you can buy again and you can expect 12,200 levels, and in fact 12,250 levels can also be seen later in the day. But let's have a further detailed look, because I have observation on the 3 hour 4 hour charts as well. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is oversold. Sorry, directional movement is in green but trying to converge here. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD has taken a crossover and this is a bearish cross, and this is happening at a high point here, which indicates that there could be possibly of little looking downside, which means bearishness here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone and now looking down. And if you look at the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the previous two candles, the bearishness has diminishing. The previous candle has a long tail and the previous to previous candle has a long wick. It means there was an upward pressure, there is a downward support. So once it breaks beyond 12,160, yes, you can buy and then expect 12,180, 12,220, 12,250 levels. So only if it trades about 12,220, 12,250, yes, there could be little more bullishness. Else on the downside, one can expect below 12,120 levels. You can expect 12,100, 12,050, and below that, yes, this is the support level here. This is going to be a very good support, and only if it breaks below 11,950, it will call upon the bears. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. It is trading downside here, looking down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading near to the highs here. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, now look at the 3 hour charts, see rise, reversal, retracement, and now lower highs are seen, lower lows are done here. So possibly it has to come out of this channel, and once it trades beyond 12,160, certainly you can buy, expect 12,180, 12,220, 12,250, and beyond that stay long. We can expect stronger bullish moves about 12,250 levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 12,100. Below that, you can expect 12,060, 12,050, and below that 12,000 levels to be seen. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is seen a good drop. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is looking down here too. It was overbought, remember? RSI was overbought, now trying to look downwards. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, it is probably still looking down here. See, this candle has just started. It has seen a little rise. Now, once it drops below 12,120, you can expect 12,100. And if it drops below 12,100, we can expect furthermore drop there. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is near to the overbought levels. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, most importantly, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, and it is trying to trade with a very narrow zone. Yes, once it reverses, this could be giving a very strong bullish move here. Once it trades past 12200 level, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected. So certainly staying long about 12160 levels is something which will give you at least 20-40 points, but then only bullish confirmation is if it breaks past 12 to 20, 12 to 50 levels. Beyond 12 to 50, stay long in Nasdaq 100, and you can expect we may see 12400, 500 levels very, very soon here. So, yes, stay long about 12160. First call is this, and yes, on the upside till 12 to 50, you have to put a 20-point trailing stop loss, just 20 point till the US cash market only, because only cash market will bring the little volatility. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is bullish. The RSI is overbought. So considering this, a sell entry at 1215, 12115 can be taken. Expect 12100 as a very good support. Below 12100, we can remain short for 12050, 12,000, and it has to break past the zone between 11,950 and 12,000 in order to trade little bearish. Till then, this is just a retracement and it can possibly bounce back till 12050, 12,000 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th mentorship batch is going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which you can apply anywhere and trade with confidence and trade with the strategy and definitely make profit. So reach out to me for more details here. Now look at the hourly chart. So US30, on the hourly chart, US30 is creating steps here, and if you look at the downside, the support here at 3880 is very, very strong, and then 3840. Only if these two levels are taken, you can consider a little more bearishness in Dow Jones. Once it drops below 3840, you can expect 3800, and below that 3750. Then below that only little more bearishness can be seen. Right now it is trying to trade within this box. Hence you should trade with caution here. And if you look at the directional movement is moderately bullish, trying to cross over for a sell. Stochastic is seen oversold levels, trying to recover a bit. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The stochastic RSI is also looking down here. If you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see one thing. So far it was trading with the support here. Now it is trying to breach below, and once it tries to drop below, it can come back till towards these levels, which is 3750, 700. So you can sell at 3880 levels. Remember, 3800 very good support, 3750 and 700 the next support levels, only below which a little bearishness can be expected. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is seen oversold levels now. On the 2-hour chart, the MACD has crossed over for a sell entry here. It is trading with divergence. RSI near to the highs, but it has come out of the overbought levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, here you can see this 3880 levels, very, very good support, and then 3840. So definitely watch out for these levels. Below 3800 only little more bearishness will be seen there. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD has taken a crossover, and this is divergent. This is bearish. It is looking down. RSI is looking down, showing little weakness here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, first of all, previous two candles lower highs, lower lows, and hence 3880. Yes, you can sell there, expect 3840, and below that 3800. Only below which little more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross here. RSI trading flat, and it is trading near to the high points. Now look at the daily charts. So daily charts, interestingly, after giving consistently bullish candles, it is trying to give a breakout. And see, once it breaks out below 3800, yes, you can expect that we can see little more bearishness in Dow Jones on the downside. But remember, here you can see it is still trying to trade in this channel. So 3700 levels, 3600 levels, till I will say US30 trades above 3300, these levels. Do not consider this as bearish. Till US30 this week trades above 3300 levels. Do not consider this as bearish. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought looking down. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with little divergence and in green. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can sell here at 3880, expect 3840, 3800, and below that only little bearishness can be expected. On the upside, you can buy there at 30,000, sorry, 33,8, 880, I mean to say, below 33,880 you can expect a little bearishness. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading above 33,950. So in between 33,880 and 33,950, do not take any trade. On the upside, once it trades above 33,950, you can expect we may see 34,000 levels again, 34,050 and 34,100. Once it trades above 34,100, stay long in US30 and then you can remain long. Probably we may see 34,300, 34,500 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.